Morning, guys. This is market analysis 2 on a Monday morning. If you remember what we did yesterday, this is where we are today. If we had maintained that position, we would have been having more. But you can't say that because there's a lot to be analyzed. So, like I said, before you start trading, you first go and check if there's any news that is affecting you at that moment. Then if you don't have your trade, if you have, you be careful. So we are going to check. Yes, so I use investment.com. If you like it, you can go and download it for free on Play Store. And I made a video about it, you can check down. So you go on more, then you go on calendar. Then it will show you financial calendar. Then that's where you get the news. So I'm just going to go there. Yes, so we are here. There's news for euro, yes, for euro, then for CAD, and Braille or BRL, whatever you want to call it. Oh, yeah. So this is what we have. And now it's 9:14. So that's why this line has been put. I like it because it shows you per the time of your area, right? So that you know what you are trading. So now we don't have, because today I think we should do silver, which is JAG USD. Yesterday we were on BTC. So today let's try JAG. I'm not seeing anything on USD, so we are safe for now. So you can check news for yesterday. There was no news yesterday, it was a Sunday. Then for tomorrow, this week, if you are that person who's much into news, I don't really trade news because I believe in structure, but you never know, in the future I might change. So let's go to the charts. Yep, so JAG is here. Let's click on it. We see what it has for us today. M15. Yeah. And there's a gap. You're seeing a gap. Very big gap, by the way. I hope it will not really affect us. So, the first thing is to draw. So I use two things. The first thing is I analyze candlestick pattern. Structure. Like hammer, doji, spinning top, all of them. I also do flags. Yes. Then support and resistance, or demand and supply. Those two are the ones I use. So from the person who taught me these things, you go to the higher high up there. Then the candle with a wick that is protruding, you draw in a trend line or on the candle candle before it. As you can see, where there's high, you're seeing high on 78.798. We are going to use the candle before that candle with a high. So let me do it quick. Yeah, so I use trend lines, horizontal trend lines. That's what I'm going to put. If you see here, I'll go to horizontal line. Then I go to the second candle, it will be this one. Then I put a line there. Then I'll also go again, horizontal, and put a line where it ends. That will be my first. So let me do the second. All right, so this will be my setup. Yeah. On the low, if you go on the low down there, there's a green candle at first. So I drew the lines on the second one, which is before the green candle, right? So we're on M15. We might be lucky actually, because there was a sell, then there was a doji. So let's buy. There's no need to wait. I don't know if I'm late or let's buy. What do you mean ounces? 100 ounces. I want lot size. In ounces, order value account or currencies. I've never seen this. Actually, this is my first time trading silver on this platform. I'm used to how do you call them? To lot size. Let me first research about this. Yeah, according to my research, 20 ounces will do. But I think this is risky. I've never tried it, but we'll see how it moves. The problem with silver, it's so fast. So if it was lot size of MT5, it was going to be better. But ounces. Oh, okay. Let's see how it goes. I wanted to enter a buy. And it's still a buy because the second candlestick from a doji. Are you seeing that plus sign candle? That is called a doji. It also helps in change of direction. So the market was selling, then a doji comes. It's supposed to be a buy. The second candlestick, which is calm, it is no. Yeah, it's supposed to be a buy. It has no actual structure, so it still didn't affect anything. So we are still in buy. So let's put 20 ounces. We see I might blow my account. I don't know. Let me see. 20. Imagine 3 USD. This looks big. This looks so big. Does it do 5? Let me see. 5. How much is 0.9? Oh, that is too small. Then 1 margin will be 0.15. I think this one is safe. 1 ounce. Okay, if it's moving fast, I'll close fast as well. So let's buy. We see how things go. Well, ounces. 1 ounce. Okay, yeah, so we're in the buy in M15. Let's see how it goes. This is how dangerous silver is. It's M15, but the candle is moving as if it's in M1. You can blow your account in seconds if you're using silver. In seconds. Okay, let me enlarge. I think if I'm to put a take profit, it will be where it will be. But on silver, I don't really like a take profit because you limit yourself. It can move a lot. So I think stop loss will be better. Today, if I lose, how much do I have? 1532. I might lose how much? I think I can lose 50 cents. No, 30 cents. Let me stop loss of 30 cents. 30 cents or 50. Let me put 50. This thing is still complicated for me to put. Drag to add stop loss. Okay. But I'm dragging. Yeah, so I'm used to trading on MT5. Not this setup. So putting a stop loss or take profit is still confusing me. So it has closed on 12 cents, yet I had not wanted it to close. So I've put another position, but no stop loss, no take profit. I'll close manually in case it gets to, it should be now 38. If it gets to minus 38 cents, I'll close manually. But yeah, we're expecting a buy due to this setup. So let's wait and see how it goes. Alright, so if you are also a trader and there are some things you are noticing in the analysis, feel free to comment. We are both learning. So you just share what you have seen so that we grow together. So far, this closed candle has no effect again, so we are still in a buy. The only candle that will give us structure maybe is this new one. So I hope it will move. Let's wait and see. We are now in profits. Let's see where it will go. I think next time I'll use 2 ounces. 1 ounce is a bit slow, but also silver can move. It can spike, so we'll see, but still 1 ounce is a bit slow. Right, so as we wait, let's talk about this gap. How is a gap formed? So you see, market closed on Friday. On this last candle, you're seeing down. Then silver or USD would have increased in value, but there was no trading because it was weekend. So when the market opens, it will open where the value is. It does not continue from where the market left. So people love gaps because they say no matter how the market goes or moves, it's supposed to close the gap. But the problem is no one knows when. Yes, it will close, but when? So as you can see now, it's moving up, it's moving down. It might do this for hours, then later come back to close the gap. So if you are a good trader, you can actually wait for a sell signal up here, a strong sell signal. There's a higher chance that it might come down and close this gap. Yeah. So those with big liquidity, they can just put smaller size sell and they leave. Why? Because they know it will come back by fire by force. Then, since on this gap there are no candles, you are guaranteed that you don't have resistance. All this space doesn't have resistance. So the market will move. If there's no news, if there's no structure disturbing you, you will get a lot of money here. But it has made a lot of people make losses because they think it's an automatic thing. When you see a gap, you have made money. No, the market will still move the same way it moves. There's no much difference. But people love gaps a lot. They really love gaps. Yeah, so me who's in a buy position, I'm just following the structure, but the moment that structure changes, there can be a very good momentum. Yeah. So I don't know, me with my 1 ounce. How slow is 1 ounce? Maybe I can also open a sale and just relax and wait for the market to do its thing. But when is the question? Yeah. So the reason I like M15 is because you take time moving, right? Rather than M1. M1 structures come, but they are so quick you get confused. But you see, one candle is 15 minutes long, so you have full time to analyze, full time to wait. Yeah, so this video has gotten to 16 seconds, 16 minutes. I'm going to cut, then I will do part 2 of how the market is moving.